Hello, I'm David from Bond Photography and welcome to my collector's table where I'll be looking at various collectibles that I own. To celebrate 90 years of Lego, I thought I would film some of my collection. In the summer I was kindly given some kits from the 1970s, and this is kit 614, the Excavator, from the Legoland series. It came in a simple box with the double-sided instruction leaflet. The instructions were a lot more basic than today. The kit has 31 pieces with a nicely printed name badge. A straightforward build with just a few fiddly parts. It certainly has a lot of play value. If you enjoyed this, why not watch the previous episodes? And don't forget to subscribe, as new content is put up weekly.